All right, we got this amazing cloud modular sectional sofa. My favorite part about this is just straight up, dude, the box it came in. It wasn't like a tiny box, but it was a relatively small box compared to what this is. It's in a relatively small box. You open it up, it's vacuum sealed, and it just pops out, turns into a couch. Amazing. You don't have to like, no assembly, nothing. Nothing's required. And I love, this is my favorite setup with it, just set up like this. Obviously, you could even just another simple tweak. You could just twist it like that. But there's like all sorts of different setups you can do very easily. Break it up apart. I'm going to flash to some different vibes now where you can set it up into a bed. You can set it into, 4 different sections. There's just all sorts of different vibes you can set up with this couch. But super comfortable. Love the cushions. Comes with these 4 pillows right here, the throw pillows. And it also has a non-slip vibe on the bottom. Let me pull this up. Non-slip vibe right here to make sure the couch does not move once you set it in place. Love the nice armrest, very firm, or cushiony, but also firm. Firm back here as well. All in all, I think this thing's sweet, very modern vibe. And also just like very easy to move around, transport, break apart to move and whatnot. Amazing. You need this. Highly recommend.